Hello everyone, welcome to Food for Thought Dom Gamad, a math and cooking tutorial.
Here is the exponential problem to be solved, which is 5 raised to x equals to 100 plus 5 raised to y. What are the value of x and y? Stay tuned. Happy learning.
Hello everyone, this is your friend Dom Gamad. In this video, I want to teach you on how to solve an exponential problem. So just like this one. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to receive the latest video. Okay guys, let's get dig into it. Now, so we have here the problem. 5 to the power of x is equal to 100 plus 5 to the power of y. Now we're going to find out what is the value of x and y. So by the given condition, we just write the solution, and then we rewrite this one. 5 to the power of x plus 100 plus 5 to the power of y. Now in this case, we are going to move the 5 the left side. So we write this as 5x. Now if we take this to the left side, it becomes negative 5 to the power of y is equal to 100. Okay, now 100 is the same as 125 minus 25 is equal to 100. Then this 125 we are going to write as the same as 5 raised to 3. Okay, and then the 25 is the same as 5 raised to 2. Now 5 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of y is equal to, so we're gonna write this one, 125 minus 125, so the same as 100. So 125 minus 25. Now 5 raised to x minus 5 raised to y is equal to, so we're going to get the prime factor of 125 is 5 raised to 3 minus 25, the same as 5 raised to 2. Okay, therefore it's obviously that x and y, these are the value of x and y. Okay, therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay, so since we have already the value of x and y, it's very easy. Okay, so we are going to check if the value of x and y satisfy this equation. Okay, to check, so we're going to use this equation. 5 to the power of x is equal to 100 plus 5 to the power of y, then 5x, we transpose this become 5 raised to y is equal to 100. Now the value of x is 3. 5 raised to 3 minus 5, the value of y is 2, is equal to 100. Then 5 cubed is equal to this one, 125. Okay, 125 minus 5 times 5 is 25, is equal to 100. Then 125 minus 25 is 100, which is equal to 100. Okay, as you see, it's very easy. They are equal, meaning to say that the value of x and y, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to, it satisfies this given equation. Okay, our x is 3 and y is equal to, these are the answer. Okay guys, very easy. Okay guys, if you learned and enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will not miss out my next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.